Majano's Air Conditioning is here for all your home's heating and air conditioning needs, ensuring your family's comfort all year round. When you need emergency air conditioning or heating repairs, our technicians are ready to help. We're committed to offering homeowners exceptional service. Our technicians can assist you with the following home comfort services: air conditioning and heating repair. Our expert technicians are able to service, diagnose, and repair any make or model of HVAC unit. Don't let your home be uncomfortable 1 second longer than it needs to be. Call us today at 214-578-2883. Air conditioning replacement and installation. If you're looking for a new unit, either to replace a broken one or simply get more efficient indoor comfort, we offer a wide range of quality products and the technicians to expertly install them. Call us at 214-578-2883 for an estimate on which product is right for you. We offer a comprehensive HVAC maintenance plan that takes the guesswork out of keeping your system running smoothly. Call On-Time Experts for same-day service in Dallas. Call us at 214-578-2883. Our technicians will treat you and your property with respect and wear shoe covers before entering your house. We offer upfront estimates before any job is done. And we also offer free in-home consultations if you're considering whether to replace your heating and air conditioning system. Contact us today at 214-578-2883 to book an appointment. For the best HVAC services in Dallas, call us now.
Very high efficiency equal, you find equal. Alright, so it's pretty good. Gas furnace, 4-ton gas furnace, SPX1 model, single stage. Single stage, okay. Cool.